Has it been worth it? Has trading FX for the last 15 years been worth the journey, worth the commitment, the energy, the investment? The short answer is yes. Absolutely. It's a resounding yes. But let me go into a bit more detail. It's been worth it, but not necessarily just from a financial perspective. I do think I'm a very driven, ambitious, hardworking person, and I think I could have been financially successful in many other areas, not just trading. So if I had pursued any other career, business the last 15 years, I think I would have done well. And I could be wrong, but that's just how I feel. For me, the satisfaction from trading has come from being able to beat the market. And the byproduct of that is the financial reward. But just knowing that I can make money from something that so many people struggle to do, is incredibly satisfying. The figures online range a lot, so you may read 90% of traders fail or 95%. UK brokers often display how many traders lose money with their brokerage, and also like 68% of investors lose money with us, or 70%, sometimes 85% of traders lose money with us. I actually think it's much higher than that. I would say 90 to 98% of traders lose money, and there may be a small percentage they're actually making some money, but the amount of traders that can actually make a decent income consistently from the markets, I think, is very small, maybe 1%. So to be in that 1% is incredibly satisfying. The byproduct of that is the money, the financial reward, but it's really that satisfaction that has made the journey worth it for me. You know, to commit to something for 15 years and then to be able to do something that most cannot do, you know, to develop a skill, a mindset that 99% of people fail at, is, like I said, incredibly satisfying. There's a certain pride that comes with that. So that's what's made the journey worth it for me. There are other things too, such as I get to work from home. Now, I've worked from home the last 15 years, and I would never change that. Even if I took a step away from trading, I would find something else that I can do from home. And I love it. You know, I'm doing something that I love. But I do understand that doing something you love and working from home, it's not exclusive to trading, is it? You know, I could run a business from home doing something that I love. But it's really that satisfaction from doing something that others really struggle to do, that sense of achievement, doing something that I love, working from home, has made it all worth it for me. Now, there are things I don't like about trading, which I have mentioned in previous videos. One of the things I haven't liked about the last 15 years is the amount of mistakes that I've made, psychological mistakes, missing trading opportunities, financial mistakes that have been costly. I don't enjoy that part of trading and haven't enjoyed that part of the journey, but I understand it's all a learning process, isn't it? Something else I don't really enjoy about this process is, if only I knew then what I know now. You know, if I could go back 15 years, I would have done things much more differently and been a much more successful trader, you know, than I have been the last 15 years. But once again, I don't think those things are exclusive to trading, are they? I think they're things that a lot of people struggle with, whether it's in your career, your family, your education. We all don't like the mistakes. We all don't like learning the hard way. And we all wish we could take our knowledge and experience into the past and do things differently. So no matter what career I would have gone for, I think these things would still be there. So these things are not exclusive to trading. So hopefully that gives you some insight. I am only 38. I've only been doing this for 15 years. I plan to do this for at least another 15 years. I hope that by the time I'm 58, I'm still trading, that I'm even better than I am now. And hopefully I have a bit of a name for myself. In 20 years' time, I would have been trading for 35 years. And I hope by then, because I am quite ambitious, to have a name for myself and to be well known in the retail trading industry, not just as someone that's successful, but someone that is genuine and maybe even a veteran of the financial markets. Thanks for watching. I'll speak to you in another video.